Yo, what's up? So Blusky 25k eval, day number 1. We went with the 25k eval this time instead of the 50k because we don't need 10 contracts. We just don't. I keep over leveraging even when I tell myself I'm not going to, so I should only be trading with 3 contracts max for my strategy and for my risk with these accounts. So I figured why not use the account to benefit myself with some of the parameters, So we're going for the 25k, that's 4 contracts max. It's a $1,500 profit goal with a $1,200 live trailing drawdown and a $600 max daily loss. So again, we're going to try to stick to the $250 max daily loss that I set for myself, and really focus on that because we don't want to go blowing this in a day. We don't want to go blowing in a couple days. We want to really play the long game, and I'm really nervous, honestly, about this because I just don't know. I'm having a really hard time not focusing on the profits. It seems like an impossible feat sometimes, but I find I have the best luck with my trading when I'm just focused on looking for my setups, not over trading, and just trying to be really focused on my entries and not on the profit. Like, there's a certain point where I get too caught up in my P&L and I just start trading it, and I'm basing trades off of how much I want to make from the market, and that's just ridiculous because the market will give you what it gives you, and if you start looking for a certain amount out of the market, it's just going to bend you over and teach you who's boss. So I've learned that the hard way too many times. So process over profits. Really got to focus on not jumping into the market at the beginning like I just did. Sat down just to kind of get a feel for the order flow right at 6:30 on the cash open. But I've been smacked around so much with the high volatility because I'm not used to trading the high volatility. I'm used to trading the after hours sessions because I'm usually at work. But I sat down and I started trading. I couldn't help myself. I was smart enough not to get into the NQ because it was extremely volatile and probably would have smacked me around pretty good. So I traded the ES instead. It was a little bit easier to read. Had actually a couple really good trades and was reading it pretty well. So, it was a good couple trades, and I'm actually going to take a break now and go do some review, go do my workouts, go do my meditation, and maybe I will come back and we're actually at $475 profit right now. That is just above our 30% consistency rule. So we really can't trade this eval account anymore today. 3 p.m. after the market reopens, may come back for the after hours session, but we'll see. Today I just really want to focus on review, and I really want to focus on defining my playbook setups a little bit more, so that I can be a little bit more confident in that. And I'm kind of toying with the idea of only taking like 2 or 3, like maybe even 1, my most profitable setup, breakouts and ranges. Thinking about maybe just sticking to that so that I'm only taking those 2 trade setups. Might keep me from overtrading, but I don't like the idea of that because I like to be versatile with my trades. Like, I have probably 10 different playbook trades that I'm taking on average, but I get lost in that and I just start seeing things that aren't there. So maybe I should focus on 1 or 2 clean setups and just really focus on only taking those trades. But yeah, anyways, you guys can let's get into the trades. It was 6:30 cash open. You can see how it played out.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
Okay. I'm trying to look at trading ES when it's high volatility like this because the NQ's just been slapping me around. See if they can break through it. Sellers have unloaded a lot of size. They might be ready to back off and just let it go. We're still reloading bid, lifting offers. Tape's looking like more selling's coming in now though. Okay, looks like this could turn around here. See if we can let it run. I think it's gonna go. One last push, at least to the top of the range.
Order
I
canceled.
think let's stop out and try to buy it back here.
Order filled.
With 700 contracts. See if they can break through the highs. Okay, we're pushing the highs. We got the push.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
Probably shouldn't have jumped into that.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Oh, I got really lucky on that one.
Order filled.
Okay, we're gonna take a break. That was a little bit intense for me. Honestly, I did not intend on trading the open. I just wanted to watch the way the volatility was playing out. I'm gonna take a break. We're gonna take a break.